Hi farmers, how are you? So today we are going to speak about supplementing phosphorus in cattle farming. So before I go in further, let me emphasize this. The best feed for cattle is grass, whether green or dry. The best feed for cattle is grass. But as farmers, we supplement what's lacking in the grass during each and every season. So in this case, our pastures, though they are green, they are lacking phosphorus, which is lost through leaching. Panonaya mvura paya paya phosphorus inoenda pasi pokuti marutso asviki panenge pachimwirira mvura paya paya. So as you can see, we are mixing Molatech Master 20 and a Yara product called Phosphorus 12 and salt. Okay, so I will explain each and every product here. Molatech Master 20 up, we are looking for additional protein. We are looking for trace minerals, vitamin A, selenium, magnesium, sulfur, and our zinc, right? These trace minerals are important for the reproduction of cattle, right? So our P12 there, our Phosphorus 12, it is rich in phosphorus. It is a phosphorus supplement, and it also contains trace minerals, the likes of copper, the likes of zinc, our magnesium, our iodine, our selenium, which is important for optimum growth and fertility in cattle, right? Saka apa takatora one part of Master 20, which is 40 kg, tikatora 50 kg of phosphorus, tikabva taisa salt 50 kg. Okay, salt here, though in iodine, it acts as a regulator per consumption ye mixture yedu. So salt is less palatable, so inoregulata chi intake ye mix yedu. Icho chamuri kuona icho, it's lime. We are adding lime for calcium deficiency, right? Panogadzirwa mabhonzo paya paya emombe paya paya. Mombe dzinoda a lot of calcium, especially kana mombe dziri pregnant, right? So unoona sei kuti mombe dzako dziri kuleka phosphorus? Unoona mombe dzako dzichidya mabhonzo, bone chewing, right? And even lower calving rates. Ukaona une mombe dzakawanda dzinokwanisa kunge dzichibereka dzisingabati mazamo, it also points out kuti mombe dziri kuleka phosphorus. And also lower milk production. If you supplement with phosphorus, right, your milk production and your milk yield will be higher, which means mhuru dzako dzinowana mukaka wakakwana, mhuru dzako dzinenge dziri healthy, mhuru dzako you win, mhuru dzako dziri heavier, right, which is more meat on the table. Okay, so these are the importance of supplementing with phosphorus. Zvakawanda tichange tichitaura tichidzidzisana.